The Apple Watch Ultra 2 represents a remarkable evolution, transcending its initial athletic focus to emerge as a versatile smartwatch catering to various lifestyles. In this comprehensive review, we delve into the notable enhancements and advancements that make the Ultra 2 a prominent contender in the smartwatch arena. Versatility beyond sports. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 challenges the notion that it's exclusively for adventurers or outdoor enthusiasts. Whether your daily activity involves a coffee run or an outdoor adventure, this watch proves to be a valuable companion. Size and sustainability. With a 149mm size and a case made from 95% recycled titanium, the Ultra 2 embodies Apple's dedication to sustainability while providing a suitable fit for a diverse range of wrists. Brightest display. Boasting a maximum brightness of 3000 nits, the Ultra 2 achieves the brightest screen among all Apple devices, ensuring optimal visibility in varying lighting conditions. This feature significantly enhances user experience, particularly during workouts or outdoor activities. Empowered by S9 chip. Integrated with the state-of-the-art S9 chip, the Ultra 2 introduces superior performance and capabilities. On-device Siri support, refined double-tap functionality, and over 65 different actions in first- and third-party apps elevate user interaction and productivity. Expanded features and connectivity. The Ultra 2, equipped with an array of sensors, offers a seamless experience, whether you're indoors or outdoors. The ultra-wideband chip, precision finding, and expanded storage to 64 GB enhance its functionality, paving the way for efficient offline music storage and precise location tracking. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 stands as a testament to Apple's commitment to innovation and user satisfaction. While not a drastic departure from its predecessor, the Ultra 2 brings forth subtle yet impactful improvements that make it a desirable choice, especially for those considering an upgrade from earlier Apple Watch series. With its extensive capabilities, it promises to be a reliable companion for various activities, embodying the essence of a true smartwatch. Thank you for joining us in this in-depth exploration of the Apple Watch Ultra 2. For further insights and details, please refer to the linked full-text review in the description. Stay tuned for more updates and reviews.